Okay, I'm cutting the hedge with the Parkside strimmer. Quite a bit of foliage. This hedge is not, get back a wee bit, it's not 2 metres high. It's approximately 1.8 metres high and approximately 23 metres long. It's a 40 volt strimmer I was using, and that's our machine there. And I'm using it with two 4-amp batteries, and to be honest, I would say it was an hour and a half at that, right up till there. And now I bounced and stopped a couple of times just on the last bit. It was lacking a wee bit in power, but I'm very impressed how far, like 20, 21, 22 metres long, 1.8 metres high, and that's both sides of the hedge now, not just the one side of the hedge. It's time now to put these batteries on charge. Now, I'll tell you another wee thing here. This machine was only bought this year. The batteries actually are telling you a lie. Batteries is 2-year-old. So the batteries is new, and there's still great performance out of this machine. I'm more than happy, more than pleased. Again, there's three speeds. You just keep pressing this button here and bring up, and I cut that at the fastest speed on the machine, so it was using more energy. And just watch that hedge. That's a beech hedge. Now, it's not the easiest to cut. Took approximately 8 or 9 inches off the top. There's a bit of this left, maybe not as much off the sides. Hedge could be a little bit straighter, when you're up there too busy watching around me instead of watching what I'm doing. But anyway, if you like the video, please give me the thumbs up, please subscribe. In the meantime, you take care. Bye bye. Adios.